Picture this. You're about to drive across the country with all your camping gear packed into your SUV. Your trunk's already stuffed, your back seat has gear stacked to the ceiling, and then it hits you. You've got nowhere left to put anything. This is where a good roof rack changes everything. Today, we're breaking down the 5 best roof racks for SUVs that actually deliver on their promises. Let's dive in. All right, starting at number 1, the Yakima HighRoad bike rack mount. This is the bike-specific rack that serious cyclists absolutely swear by. And honestly, if you're someone who hauls bikes regularly, this is where you want to start. Here's what makes it stand out. It uses a no-frame contact design, which means your bike is held only by the wheels. This is huge if you've got an expensive carbon fiber bike or just don't want scratches on your frame. The torque-right tightening system clicks when it's properly secured. No guessing games. Installation takes about 5 minutes, and yeah, you read that right, 5 minutes. You won't need any tools either. It fits bikes with 26 to 29-inch wheels, handles tires up to 4 inches wide, and the maximum weight capacity is 45 pounds. The U-bolts are universal, so they work with most aftermarket crossbars. Users absolutely love the simplicity of it. One thing people consistently mention is that loading bikes on taller SUVs can be a bit awkward without a step stool, especially if you're not the tallest person. Now, the price point sits between $199 and $250. That's a solid investment if you're serious about transporting bikes safely. And here's the important part. Check the links in the description box. Prices fluctuate throughout the year, especially during off-season sales, so you might catch a better deal than what we're seeing right now. Number 2 is the MaxxHaul Roof Rack Cargo Basket. This is the Swiss Army knife of cargo racks. Dimensions are 46 inches by 36 inches with a height of 4.5 inches. Weight capacity sits at 150 pounds, and at just 25 pounds, it's light enough that most people can install it solo. The construction is heavy-duty steel with a powder coat finish that resists rust and corrosion. Everything you need comes in the box: U-bolts, rubber gaskets, and installation hardware. The mounting system is universal, working with pretty much any factory or aftermarket crossbar you can think of. Installation takes around 15 to 20 minutes, and it's straightforward. Wind noise is minimal compared to larger basket designs, which is something forum users consistently mention as a pleasant surprise. One thing worth noting is some users report that after extended outdoor exposure, you might see surface rust developing at weld connections. Nothing crazy, but it's something to be aware of. Most people who invest a few dollars in truck bed liner paint or protective coating keep it looking new for years. The price point is incredibly attractive at $90 to $150, making it the most affordable option on this list. Here's what you need to know before buying any roof rack system. Check your vehicle's maximum roof load capacity. It's usually between 100 and 220 pounds. Weight distribution matters, so load evenly. And remember, the roof rack itself has weight too, so factor that into your calculations. You'll find all the details in your owner's manual, but if you want the direct links and current pricing, they're all in the description box below. Number 3 brings something special to the table: the ECOTRIC Roof Rack Cargo Carrier. This is a recently launched model, and it's gotten serious attention from people who need serious cargo capacity. Let's talk numbers first. Dimensions are 59 inches long by 90 inches wide with 5.1 inches tall. The weight capacity is 250 pounds. That's the highest we've got on this list. The steel construction is heavy-duty, and the powder-coated finish handles rust and corrosion really well. This rack was designed specifically for SUVs, trucks, and crossovers. Here's what makes the adjustable feature actually useful. You can customize the length to fit different roof rack widths without needing tools. That flexibility is perfect if you're moving between vehicles or just want to adapt your setup to different types of cargo. It comes as a complete bundle: cargo net, ratchet straps, anti-slip mat, and all hardware included. The aerodynamic design is quieter than you'd expect, and it doesn't obstruct your rear view, which is important for safety. Installation is about 15 to 20 minutes with the standard U-bolt system that fits most vehicles. Real-world testing shows the 250-pound capacity is legitimate, not just marketing speak. Now, here's the honest part. Like other steel cargo racks, the powder coat will eventually show surface rust at weld points if exposed to salt and moisture over extended periods. We're talking months of harsh conditions, not just normal use. A quick application of protective coating keeps it pristine for years. The price point is reasonable at $180 to $220. At number 4, we've got the ARKSEN Roof Rack Cargo. This is the one for people who need massive storage capacity without breaking the bank. Dimensions go 64 inches long by 39 inches wide with 6 inches tall. Weight capacity is 150 pounds for the standard model, though extended versions can handle 250 pounds if you need that extra capacity. Heavy-duty steel with black epoxy coating protects from rust and corrosion. The construction is solid, and users consistently mention how durable it feels. The expandable, collapsible design is actually practical. You can adjust how much space you're using. It comes with a steel wind fairing, which protects your cargo and reduces wind resistance, helping your fuel economy slightly. The bottom metal bars and side rails keep cargo locked down during travel. Installation is straightforward, about 15 minutes with the standard U-bolt system that fits most vehicles. Forum discussions about ARKSEN are largely positive, with people noting that it's nearly universal, compatible with most factory and aftermarket roof rails. It works on sedans, crossovers, trucks, and SUVs. The no-noise design is something people mention often, saying it's quiet even at higher speeds. The price range is $149 to $200, which is great for the capacity and features you're getting. One more thing before buying any roof rack system. Ensure your crossbars can handle the load. Some vehicles come with weight-rated crossbars, others don't. Check your manual or contact the dealer. The exact product links and current pricing are waiting in the description below. And finally, at number 5, the WEIZE Heavy-Duty Roof Rack. If you want the complete package with premium quality and don't want to hunt for accessories separately, this is it. Dimensions are 54 inches long by 34 inches wide. Weight capacity is 200 pounds, which is solid middle ground for capacity. The steel construction is seriously robust, with reinforced bottom bars that feel built to last. Powder-coated black finish handles rust and corrosion well. This was designed specifically for SUVs and larger vehicles. What sets WEIZE apart is the complete deluxe bundle. You're getting a heavy-duty waterproof cargo bag with expandable capacity, tie-down straps with quick-release buckles, a cargo net, roof rack extension system, and all hardware. That waterproof bag is rated at 600D, which is industrial-grade material. The extension system is smooth and doesn't require tools to adjust for different roof rack widths. The anti-slip base pads keep cargo secure during travel, and the streamlined profile produces minimal wind noise at highway speeds. Installation takes about 15 to 20 minutes with standard U-bolt system that fits most vehicles. Everything you need is included, so there's no hunting for compatible parts. Real talk though, the powder coat will show surface rust at weld points with extended exposure to salt and harsh weather, same as the other steel options. But here's why it matters less with WEIZE. Users report that the construction quality and finishing hold up significantly better than budget alternatives, so you're not constantly playing catch-up with maintenance. The price point is $160 to $220. Which one are you leaning towards? Drop a comment below and let us know your situation, what you're hauling, what vehicle you're driving, and we'll help point you in the right direction. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.